Hi guys, it's GJ here, and I appreciate you to join me today presenting curry shrimp. This is my version, so tasty, delicious. So today I'm gonna show you how to cook quick curry shrimp with Thai coconut milk. I'm going to use this giant river prawn for my recipe today. This is clean already. Blue color legs called killet legs. I cleaned it and cut it into pieces. I'm gonna make new video very soon to show how to clean this type of giant prawn. Please keep an eye on my channel. In a pan, heat the oil over medium heat. I added vegetable oil 1 tablespoon. Need to fry the prawns for 2 minutes. Now I will add the spices. Onion powder 1 tablespoon. I am the chef here in my kitchen and I made this before several times, so I don't need any measuring spoon, but for you guys measurement is written in my recipe blog. Please check the description box. Now the garlic powder. I will add garlic powder approximately 1 tablespoon. Next, ginger powder. This thing I don't want to add too much, very little, like half teaspoon. Next, paprika powder. I love spicy food, so I am adding more. If you don't like too much spicy food, you can add little. Now I have to add water, so the spices will mix with the shrimp very well. I need to wait some time until boiling start. And then I will add my garden fresh Thai grass. Thai grass is very easy to grow. The plant link I give in the description box. Please check. Some salt to taste. Black pepper, not so much. Little sugar. Now I will cover with lid and will wait 5 minutes. Within this time I will show you the ingredients I already put and rest of the ingredients I'm going to add. These are all my curry powders: ginger powders, onion powder, next paprika powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and sugar. Now I will show you, this is the main ingredients here, the coconut milk, and this is Thai coconut milk, 13.5 ounce, 1 can. Next I am going to add this. This is pineapple ring, dried pineapple. If you have fresh pineapple at home, you can use this, but I always keep this type of ingredients so it's easy for me to cook and use anytime I want. I will use green chili, So it's time to add the coconut milk. And just one pineapple ring I'm going to put here. These will add extra flavor. So now I'll put the lid on again and just let it cook 6 to 7 minutes. Everything smells amazing. Now the finishing touch, going to add the green chili and sriracha hot chili sauce. Very little. I always found of sweet, sour and spicy taste, so these things give me the taste I want. And finally, my garden fresh basil leaves. This is also very easy to grow. Thai grass already did its job, so need to take out from the curry. Check out those beauties. I just love this sweet, spicy, milky curry. And these head add lots of flavor to the curry. This is the best part for me. This pineapple ring adds another level of flavor. So tasty, delicious, with little sour. Now, my friend, it is ready to serve up. Checking everything is okay or not. Perfect. Total cooking time 20 minutes. No marination needed for the shrimp. I always love to do easy and quick cooking. So my friend, lay those prawn out on your own serving plate. It's time to eat with rice. So this is the yummy, delicious and healthy curry prawn with coconut milk. And best combination, it goes with rice. So my friend, try this at home. I think you will not be disappointed. So if you have any question or comment, write them below. If you enjoyed the video, why not hit the subscribe button and press the bell button to get notification every time I post a new recipe. Thanks for watching.